Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to explore how to use single and double quotes on the Linux command line. For some purposes, the quotes work the same. So if I were to, let's say, type a command like this, it says hello world, use single quotes instead of double quotes, we get the same output. On the other hand, if I use a variable and assign the word world to it, and then echo hello $target. This works fine. But if I use single quotes, it doesn't interpret the argument, so I get hello $target. Now you can also use double and single quotes at the same time or on the same line like this, and everything looks fine. But if you embed one type of quote in the other, the inner quotes are left on the command line, so you still see them. If you do the reverse, again, has the same effect. We're just saying the double quotes now instead of the single quotes. And here I'm going to say hello to the world. I can put the word hello in quotes, but it doesn't make any difference. Echo just removes them. If I want them to show up, I have to use backslashes in front of the double quotes like this. Well, that is your Linux tip for the single and double quote usage. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.